Is the old style ILR visa still valid? As a long-time resident in the United Kingdom, do you keep up to date with Home Office regulations regarding your visa status? If not, and you have your visa on an old passport, then you have to act fast. If you have been in the United Kingdom for many years, certainly way before 2010 as a spouse or fiance, child or work permit holder, a genuine student, or even if you became undocumented but subsequently sorted your visa out, the likelihood is you probably hold your visa in an old expired passport. Or if your passport was unavailable at the time you were granted settlement, indefinite leave to remain in the UK, you may have been given what is called an immigration status document. For many Filipinos who do not always travel, they will not necessarily know having an old style visa could affect them when they do travel. Recently, we had a client who was stuck in Hungary. She originally came in as a child dependent a long time ago with indefinite leave to enter, or ILE, which is equivalent to ILR. In the fullness of time, she is now 20 years old plus and has a European partner. The Hungarian authorities did not accept her indefinite leave visa on her passport, so they would not allow her to fly back to the UK, and we had to sort it out. The thing is, the UK border authorities would know and would respect a visa on a passport because they will know what they are. But other immigration officers or even just airline staff outside the UK may not know that a visa is valid. All they know is to check that travelers hold the new style biometric residence permit, which is essentially like a debit or credit card with your photograph and visa status on it. For those who have been working nonstop, particularly with long-time employers, this may not have affected them at all. But the minute one looks for a new employer, then the whole Pandora's box of problems opens up. Another recent client was surprised to be called in by their HR manager and was treated as if he was illegally in the UK. But I have been here for decades, he argued. He was told his visa on a piece of paper, i.e., an immigration status document, was no longer valid. Of course, all the above can be avoided if one applies for British citizenship. If under 65 years old, you of course need to pass the knowledge of life and language requirements. This involves passing an ESOL speaking and listening test at level B1. This is easy enough for Filipinos who speak English as a second language. Just call or go online and check Trinity College London. They have tests practically every day. It costs £150. Then you have to pass the Life in the UK test to show that you know about what is going on in the United Kingdom, with questions ranging from historical facts to the modern day. There are books and practice tests to help you with this, but the cost is £50. If you fail at the first attempt, try again. So if you are in any of the situations described above, please seek advice urgently and sort things out now. The Home Office fee to apply to transfer your passport visa onto a biometric residence permit is £229. Do not wait until you have an urgent need before doing so. Salamat po, Jean Alcantara for One EU Connect, London.